In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT. This is super simple to do. I'm doing this on my device, but it works on any device and it's pretty much the exact same. But before we actually do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get started, obviously open up ChatGPT on any device, whether it's directly in your browser, or if you want the best app experience, especially for better memory and smoother performance, I'd recommend getting the ChatGPT app, whether it's on your PC or on your mobile device. On an iPhone, for example, you could just open up that app store and specifically search for ChatGPT and open it up. And once you do see it, just open it up and you'll be good to go. As you can see, I've actually already started my conversation with ChatGPT, but if it's your first time loading in, you are going to have to create an account. Don't worry, the setup process is super quick and easy. But after that, you can literally ask ChatGPT anything. There'll be some suggested prompts if you're not sure what to ask. For example, you could use it to find flights, or you can just ask it how it's doing. And that's just two examples, but ChatGPT can be used for so many different things, including planning, learning, research work, or really just your everyday questions. And it's going to respond in a conversational way. So it's going to feel like you're talking to a real person, and you can have full back and forth conversations to get exactly what you're looking for. Another really cool, useful feature is that ChatGPT offers different language models depending on what you're doing, whether it's coding, deep analysis, scanning documents, or even simple questions. And you can choose the model that fits you best. Up in the top left, just select ChatGPT. And by default, it is going to be set to auto, which decides how long ChatGPT should think before answering. But you can also switch it to an instant mode for faster responses, or a deeper thinking mode for a more detailed and accurate response. You can even access older or legacy models, but obviously I just recommend sticking with the latest version since it's the most up-to-date and best for finding current information. But that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.